question, the bus stopped to dash more passengers. Okay, they are asking the question, and they have given some choice. First of all, let me tell you about the taken. Taken means what? It always refers to the consume. Consume means what? You can take medicine, or you can take water. That means what and all you are taking inside your body. That's called consume. Okay. Take on refers to you can add something, and you can make any of the what I say take on persons. So you take on your opponents like that. Okay. So take up refers to you can be any brisk, or you can any brisk, or you can any have a encouragement of yourself. Okay, you are taking encouragement, you are taking some briskness after getting in the morning. Okay, listen here, take for. Okay, there is no meaning in the take for as per the English grammar. So look at over here, when compared to these take in consumption, the bus will not swallow you. Okay, take on means what? The bus can add you, the bus can add you as a passenger. So and a bus will not be any living being to take a brisk. So take up is not be a problem, and take in will not be a problem. Take for already over, so take on is the right answer. Okay, answer is the bus stopped to take on more number of passengers. Okay, thank you everybody.